Okay, dear students, shall we start now new chapter, structure of atom. So I discuss about atom and structure of atom. So atoms are made up of three. Atoms are smallest part of any matter. Atoms are smallest part of any matter. Atoms are chemically more reactive. Atom combine to each other and form the molecule, and molecule form the matter. So atoms are made of three kinds of subatomic particle like electron, proton, and neutron. Atoms are made up of three kinds of subatomic particles: electron, proton, and neutrons. Electron possesses negative charge. Electron possesses negative charge, and proton possesses positive charge, while neutrons have no charge. Okay. Proton and neutrons are located in the nucleus of the atom, and electrons remain outside the nucleus and revolve at high speed around the nucleus, it indefinite circular path. Atom, in the center of atom, nucleus, lie proton and neutron, and the outside of nucleus revolve around electrons, and outside of nucleus revolve around electrons. Okay, so atoms are smallest part of any matter. Atoms are smallest part of any matter. Atoms are made up of three kinds of subatomic particles: electron, proton, and neutron. Electron possesses negative charge, proton possesses positive charge, while neutron have no charge and are neutral. Proton and neutrons are located in small nucleus at the atom center. Okay, and electron remain outside the nucleus and revolve at high speed. Revolve at high speed in a definite circular path called energy level or cell. This is called energy level or cell. Okay, this is called energy level or cell. Okay, have you gotten? In atom, atomic number atomic number is equal to the number of proton in neutral state, is equal to the number of electron is equal to the number of electron in neutral state. So atomic number of proton lie in the nucleus of any atom is called atomic number. Number of proton, total number of proton lie in the nucleus of any atom is called atomic number. In the neutral state, atomic number is equal to the number of proton is equal to the number of electron. Okay, next topic, electron and its discovery. So J.J. Thomson demonstrated the existence of electron in atom in 1897. J.J. Thomson demonstrated the existence of electrons in an atom in 1897. He passed electricity at high voltage through a gas at very low pressure. कर दीजिए पोडियम. At high low pressure in discharge tube, stream of very teeny particles were emitted by the cathode negative electrode. These streams of particles are named as cathode. This is discharge tube. One side is cathode and other terminal is anode. Pass the high voltage electricity, one ray emitted by cathode. This is known as cathode rays. Okay, so J.J. Thomson demonstrated the existence of electron in 1897. He passed electricity in high voltage through a gas very low pressure in a discharge tube. A stream of very teeny particles were emitted. Teeny particles were emitted by the cathode. Cathode contain the negative charge and anode contain the positive charge. These stream of particles are named as cathode rays since they come out of the cathode. इसका नाम कैथोड रे रखा गया क्योंकि ये कहां से निकलती थी, कैथोड से निकलती थी. द नेचर ऑफ गैस टेकन इन डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब डज नॉट डिटरमाइन द मास एंड इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज ऑफ द कैथोड पार्टिकल्स. कैथोड रेज contain small negatively charged particles. Cathode rays contain, this is cathode rays. Cathode rays contains small negatively charged particles called electron. जो ये कैथोड रेज हाई इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास करने पर जो इमिट हो रही है कैथोड से, वो कैथोड रेज स्मॉल नेगेटिव चार्ज पार्टिकल से मिलकर बनी हुई है, जिसे हम क्या करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन कहते हैं. कैथोड रेज कंटेन स्मॉल नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. As all gases form cathode rays, it is inferred that all atoms contain negative charge particles called electron. Okay? इससे कंफर्म होता है कि सारे के सारे जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो अपने अंदर क्या रखते हैं, स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं नेगेटिव चार्ज, उसे हम इलेक्ट्रॉन कहते हैं. द गैस टेकन इन द डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब कंटेन्स एटम. तो डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब में ये गैस भरी हुई है वो एटम होती है. एंड ऑल एटम कंटेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन. ऑल एटम कंटेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन. व्हेन हाई इलेक्ट्रिकल वोल्टेज इज अप्लाइड, द इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी pushes out some of the electron from the atoms of the gas. These high speed electron form cathode rays. High speed electron form the cathode rays. The formation of cathode rays demonstrate that one of the some atomic particles of the any atom. Okay, the electron is negatively charged particles, subatomic particles present in all atoms. Okay, next topic है characteristics of electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन की क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हो सकती है. नंबर फर्स्ट, मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 9.1 into 10 to power 28 gram. -28 gram. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to power -28 gram. Yeah. 9.1 into 10 to power -31 kilogram. Mass of electron. Okay. Charge of electron. The absolute charge of one electron is 1.6 into 10 to power -19 coulomb. Negative charge. The absolute charge on electron is 1.6. The absolute charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to power -19 coulomb of negative charge, as 1.6 into 10 to power -19 coulomb is the smallest possible electric charge carried by any particles. This is taken as the unit of negative charge. So an electron possesses a negative charge of 1 unit and relative charge of electron is -1. And relative charge of electron is -1. Okay? Any problem? Next topic, proton. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आपका प्रोटॉन है. बात करते हैं फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटॉन की. तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैथोड रेज डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटेड दैट ऑल एटम कंटेन नेगेटिवली चार्ज. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैथोड रेज demonstrated as all atoms contain the negative charge particles called electron. But since all atoms are electrically neutral, ये तो कंफर्म हो गया कि सारे एटम जो है नेगेटिव चार्ज रखते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन रखते हैं, लेकिन ओवरऑल एटम जो होता है वो न्यूट्रल होता है. इसका मतलब कोई ना कोई पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैथोड रेज Formation of cathode rays demonstrated that all atoms contain negative charge particles called electron. But since all atoms are electrically neutral, it follows that an atom must contain some positive charge to balance the out of the negative charge of the electron. It has been experimentally shown that all atom contain positively charged particles called proton. ये देखा गया कि कैथोड रेज की डिस्कवरी के बाद बताया गया कि सारे एटम निगेटिव चार्ज रखते हैं, जिसे हम इलेक्ट्रॉन कहते हैं, लेकिन ओवरऑल जो एटम है वो इलेक्ट्रिकली क्या है, न्यूट्रल है. जब ओवरऑल एटम आपका इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल है, इसका मतलब उसके साथ साथ कोई ना कोई पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. उसी पॉजिटिव चार्ज को क्या नाम दिया गया, प्रोटॉन नाम दिया गया. उसी पार्टिकल को हम प्रोटॉन नाम दिए. तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैथोड रेज demonstrated that all atoms contain negatively charged particles called electrons. But since all atoms are electrically neutral, it follows that an atom must contain some positive charge to balance out the negative charge of the electrons. It has been experimentally shown that all atoms contain positive charge particles called proton. First time E. गोल्डस्टीन ने पहली इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिस्कवरी में हेल्प की थी. और आपसे पूछा जाए कि प्रोटॉन की डिस्कवरी किसने की थी, तो आप गोल्डस्टीन को ही कहेंगे, न कि रदरफोर्ड को, क्योंकि गोल्डस्टीन ने फर्स्ट टाइम बता दिया था कि जो एटम में पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, प्रोटॉन कहते हैं. ई गोल्डस्टीन showed that the existence of proton but only a stream of anode in 1886. गोल्डस्टीन ने 1886 में ही बता दिया था कि जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज किसी भी एटम में है वो क्या है, आपका प्रोटॉन है. ठीक है. एक टॉपिक और है, एनी एटम में प्रोटॉन की डिस्कवरी बताते हैं, उससे पहले और जान लीजिए. मास नंबर इक्वल टू total number of proton plus total number of neutron. Okay, right now mass number equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Mass number equal to total number of proton plus total number of neutron. Mass number equal to total number of proton plus total number of neutron. Mass number equal to total number of proton plus total number of neutron. आवाज क्लियर सुनाई दे रही है? प्रियांशी, अमृत श्रीवास्तव.
Sir.
Okay. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Question. Right now, carbon atom has an atomic mass of 12U. Carbon atom has an atomic mass of 12U. Carbon atom has an atomic mass of 12U and 6 proton in its nucleus. Carbon atom has an atomic mass of 12U and 6 proton in its nucleus. Full stop. How many neutrons does it have? 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 Okay. Solution. We know that we know that mass number equal to, we know that mass number equal to number of protons, plus number of protons plus number of neutrons equal to mass number equal to 12. Number of proton equal to 6. Number of neutrons, number of neutrons, number of neutrons equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Okay, right now. Thus carbon atom, has 6 neutrons. Thus carbon atom has 6 neutrons. Okay, लिख लीजिए. Okay, have you written? New question. The number of electrons, new question. The number of electrons in an atom, the number of electrons in an atom, the number of electrons in an atom is 20. The number of electrons in an atom is 20, while number of protons is also 20. 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 While number of proton is also 20. While number of protons is also 20. Number first, what is the atomic number of the atom? What is the atomic number of the atom? The number of electrons in an atom is 20, while number of protons is also 20. Number first, what is the atomic number of the atom? What is the atomic number of the atom? Number second, what is the charge on the atom? What is the charge on the atom? What is the charge on the atom? Solve it. solution. Total number of proton is equal to the atomic number in an atom. So total number of proton is 20. The atomic number is also 20. The number first, atomic number is equal to solution. Solution number first, atomic number is equal to the number of protons. Atomic number is equal to the number of protons in one atom. Atomic number is equal to the number of protons in one atom, comma, which in this case is 20. Which in this case is 20. Full stop. Hence, atomic number of the atom is 20. 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 Second, what is the charge of on the atom? Second है, what is the charge on the atom? Total 20 number of electron. शांत रहो, क्यों लिख रहे हैं आप लोग? Total 20 number of electrons and 20 number of protons. Proton have positive charge and electron have negative charge. 20 negative charge neutralized by the 20 positive charge of proton. Overall atom are electrically neutral. Second answer. The atom contains equal number of protons and electrons. The atom contains equal number of protons and electrons in bracket 20 each. In bracket 20 each. Hence, atom is electrically neutral. And it has zero charge. And it has zero charge on it. Okay? ठीक है? So now your class is over.